And welcome back. So you had a chance to read our essay and give it a mark. Great job, teacher. Now let's discuss. So let's start. It's not a bad essay, right? It's actually some really good things about it, but there are some points we could improve on. So let's start by giving it a mark in task response. So remember, we're asking, does it answer the question and is it of a correct length? So the essay question asked us to describe a new hotel and to talk about what the hotel looks like and what you can do in the hotel. And this essay does that. It tells us it has a beautiful design, that you can do many things. So far, so good. But what about the length? Remember, we want 120 to 150 words. This essay is a little on the short side. It's okay, but it could be a little bit longer and add more detail. So I think for this essay, it is satisfactory for task response. It could be a little longer. What about organization? Do I have 4 paragraphs? I do. Do I have an introduction? Mm-hmm. Now, do I have a thesis statement? Not really. Remember, our thesis statement should give us the main idea of the whole essay, the main idea of each body paragraph. I don't really have that here. So that's one problem. What about my topic sentences? Well, I do have topic sentences, but again, they're kind of short, kind of simple. What about my supporting details? Again, they're simple and there's not a lot of extra explanation and examples given there. What about my conclusion? Well, my conclusion is actually okay. And what about linkers? I don't see any linkers here. So that's another problem. I think for this essay, we have some nice things in organization, but we're also missing some really important parts. The thesis statement, linkers, and more supporting details. So again, I think for organization, we're looking at a 3, satisfactory. All right, what about vocabulary? Did you find the problem? That's right. It overuses the adjective beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. There's another one right there. So we're not seeing a good range of vocabulary, right? But because it was typed, all of the words are spelled correctly. So again, I think this essay is a satisfactory use of vocabulary. Yeah, it has some nice words in there, but it overuses beautiful. Finally, let's look at grammar. Now, do all of the sentences have subject and verbs? Yes. Are all of the subjects and the verbs in agreement? Yes. Are all of the verbs using the correct form of present simple? Yes. What about can and can't? Are they used correctly? Yes, they are. So far, so good. What about our other prepositions, articles, pronouns, count and uncount? Yes. There's really no grammatical errors in this essay. However, I would say it's not a great range because the sentences are rather simple. But I would say this essay is between a good and an excellent for grammar, right? So as you can see, it's rather short and there are some problems, but overall it is a satisfactory essay and it would be a clear pass at 340. All right, so got a better idea of what we're doing? We have 2 more essays for you to go and give a mark to. And again, remember, it's not about getting the exact same mark as me or your classmate or your teacher, but rather understanding what makes a good essay, what teachers are looking for, and being able to justify why you gave it the mark you did. All right, so we've got, like I said, 2 more essays for you to give a mark to. Then I want you to share your ideas with your teacher and your classmates and see if you agree or disagree. But before we do that, let's review quickly what we've done today. So we've explored and hopefully have a better understanding of the 340 writing criteria, and we've used that writing criteria to give some marks to some example essays, which should, inshallah, help us when we're writing our final draft and other essay drafts in 340 to get higher marks and write better essays. As always, if you have any questions or problems, please talk to your teacher. We are here, ready and excited to help you. And as always, thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I know I did. And I'll see you next time to write our final drafts. Until then, bye.